What is the stock market? The stock market is a platform, a market where people can buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. It's a vital piece of the economy, allowing businesses to raise money and investors to share in the success of those companies. There are thousands of public companies to choose from, and owning their stock allows you to participate in the growth and profitability of their success. Each share represents a small piece of ownership in that company. For example, if you buy a share of Apple, you own a tiny fraction of Apple's business. When we talk about the market as a whole, we're referring to a stock index. Indexes like the S&P 500 or the NASDAQ track the performance of a group of stocks. For example, the S&P 500 represents the top 500 largest publicly traded companies in the US. The NASDAQ tracks the top 100 technology companies. Indexes provide a snapshot of overall market performance and serve as a benchmark to compare the success of individual stocks or entire portfolios. But remember, indexes don't represent every stock. It's possible for an individual stock to perform differently from the overall market. Buying a stock might seem instantaneous, but there's a lot going on behind the scenes. You place an order with your broker, an online platform like Schwab, Fidelity, or Robinhood, and they process these orders electronically. Your broker relays the order to the stock exchange. A market maker ensures the trade executes, either buying or selling shares to match your request. Market makers are middlemen who ensure there's always a buyer and a seller available for a trade. This ensures trades are completed almost instantly, so you don't have to wait for someone to buy or sell the exact number of shares you're trading. Now you see the stock market for what it is at a surface level. Remember, it is a system that allows businesses to grow and investors to participate in that success.